I'm architect Prachi Zogrekar, Patriarch Designers. Our social media handle name is Interiors with Prachi. We design industrial buildings as per international bylaws. Industrial interiors, if planned well, increase your productivity. We design interiors which reflect your personality. Our design interiors start impressing your clients even before you start your conversation and bring in more business. Our elite clients always get benefit of our 29 plus years of expertise in this field. B. Brown is one of them. We designed the ATS workshop for them exactly as per their international branding standards and color schemes. In this video, we will guide you through the industrial interiors that we have done for ATS workshop. Here they repair the high-end medical equipments. As you all can see, the workshop was in dire need of repair as well as renovation work. The main drawback in the current setup was the location of the air compressor and sandblasting machines right at the entrance. It created a lot of noise and dust. It was difficult to enter inside. We started planning to solve this issue. We also needed to create space for a lot of new equipments they had ordered. Everything had to be as per the international standards. We gave them simple solutions of appropriate partitions, suction ducts and fresh air ducts. Over the years, what I have observed is simple solutions are the best solutions. I am sure you all will agree with this. Now it looks very neat and clean industrial workshop, and it also has space provision for the future expansion. Isn't that great? Now let's have a look at the actual work carried out. I am sure you all will like it. If you like this video, if you like our work, please like and comment below and definitely get in touch with us for all your interior needs. Let's see the actual work now. We make your workplace work for you. A happy workplace. A positive work environment. Thank you friends. We look forward to work with you. Remember us for all your interior related queries. Interiors with Prachi, that is Patriarch Designers, and our team is always at your service. Friends, feel free to connect with us on any of the below platforms and get in touch with us on email or WhatsApp for the hassle-free interiors. Interiors with Prachi is always ready to give you interior solutions. Thank you once again. Stay connected, stay tuned. Interiors with Prachi. Bye for now.